much to put together.
I see.
It's putting together a whole package.
It's like the Zapruder film.
Oh,
Right.
forget about it.
Through frame by frame.
4 days worth of audio.
4 days.
4 days worth of, what'd you say, Gary?
Julie says it's 4 days worth of audio.
Okay.
Wow.
Well, I'm looking forward to that. Let's see, when Ronnie's drunk, Ronnie's Radio Gold. What a freak show. Ronnie's the best part of the show. Home run every time. I hesitate to read that to you. I got to get you to try.
Ronnie will retweet that.
Oh, I retweeted it 100 times already.
Oh my God, I love Flirty Chris. He is fantastic and natural on the air. More Chris and Ronnie, the new power couple.
Wow.
Chris is fucking awesome. And Hello Ronnie's song made me choke on my coffee. Hello
Yeah, it's
Ronnie.
great.
You say that's the best one, right, Ron?
Yeah, I like that. I like the other one too, the second one.
Ronnie's a good sport to do those songs, it says. I agree. If Ronnie listened to Howard's advice on how to act around the office, there would be 50% less